shit. What's up? Yo, this coronavirus shit is no joke, man. Dude, I know this sucks. You know, I was watching the news the other day and Yo, imagine if you had the coronavirus or something. No. I'm just getting over a cold. I got checked like 2 days ago. Yeah, but 2 days ago was 2 days ago. What are you trying to say? I'm just saying a lot can happen in 2 days, man. Dude, you think I got it? No, I'm not saying all that. But hey, wouldn't it be fun if we just stayed 6 feet away from each other? Just an idea? How's that fun for anybody? I'm pretty sure we can make it fun, but can you step back from me just a little bit? Dude, if you think I had it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's 6 feet. Okay, and the fun part? Right here. What, you haven't played catch before? Yeah, but not like this. This is still kind of stupid. See, you're getting it. This is fun. Are you serious? Bro, I don't have the coronavirus, you idiot. I got tested for it today and it came back negative. It came back negative? Yes. Hey man, well, I'm sorry, I didn't know. It's fine, man. It's cool. So, we're good? Yeah, man. Sick.